T.repAdventures here. Rawr. We have a very special person here to teach us about something. Let's check it out.
This is my hive and honey is inside of it, and this is the comb. And this is the honey.
Cool.
Under this white stuff.
Under the white stuff? Is it ready to go? I mean, could you taste it? Wow. Is it okay? What are the other things? Are they all honey?
Yeah, mostly the honey and everything thing of these.
Except
The honey inside of this, and these little black things are actually the eggs.
whoa, what black things?
Like this black thing is an egg, but it's starting to go up.
Oh,
And this stuff, they honey in these ones, but they just haven't put the white stuff on yet.
what's the white stuff do?
I think it makes sure it doesn't leak.
Oh, so they don't leak. Well, that is pretty cool. Thank you for sharing that. Do you have anything to say?
You're welcome.
Oh, okay. T.repAdventures out. Very good. Thank you.